Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best headlight bulb is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your vehicle, directly impacting your safety and driving experience, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Imagine driving on a dark, winding road. Clear, bright headlights are not just a luxury, they are a necessity, illuminating your path and making you visible to others, thereby preventing potential accidents and ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Number 5. SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Introducing the SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision. Experience enhanced down-road visibility without any added glare, ensuring a safer drive. Your headlights work as a team. If one bulb is dimming, the other is likely to follow soon. For optimal performance, always replace them in pairs. Engineered with a robust filament and a special gas mixture, these bulbs are designed for superior performance and a brighter light. These bulbs are manufactured for maximum durability. They are designed to improve your driving situation and provide reliable illumination. Always confirm the correct fitment for your vehicle using the parts finder. Ensure you select the right position and note any specific requirements for an exact fit. These high-performance bulbs are available in a wide range of common types to fit various vehicle needs. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable upgrade that enhances your visibility without causing glare for other drivers, this is a great choice. Its robust filament design ensures durability and consistent performance, making it ideal for everyday driving. Choose this if you prioritize a clear and safe view of the road ahead. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit and easy to install. The brightness of these headlights is impressive, providing excellent visibility at night. The design of the headlights is sleek and modern, enhancing the car's appearance. Number 4. Marsauto 9006 HB4 Fog Bulb. Experience natural daylight white with these bulbs. They provide a more comfortable nighttime driving experience and give your car an instant style upgrade with a modern, high-end look. Installation is a breeze with our mini-base design. You won't need to modify your car's housing or cover, saving you time and effort. Enjoy significantly higher visibility compared to other bulbs. This means street signs and road markings are much clearer, even in adverse weather conditions. Our ultra-thin chips provide a wider illumination range than standard chips. This allows you to see more of your surroundings for safer driving on any road. Designed with an aviation-grade heat sink, these bulbs maintain brightness with minimal loss. They offer superior heat dissipation, ensuring they remain as bright as new even after thousands of hours of use. What we like. For those who want a modern, stylish look and a more comfortable night driving experience, this bulb is perfect. Its plug-and-play installation means you can upgrade your car's appearance and visibility in minutes. If you value a clean, bright light and a wider field of vision for safer navigation, this is the one for you. What people say. YouTube advised me to get LED because they last longer and are brighter and clearer. My 2011 Mazda 3 is notorious for having low beams, and now with its age and the sun-induced cloudy lenses, it's like having glasses for my car and I can see so much better at night, very noticeable. I'm amazed at how bright these are, and they worked great on my Explorer. They are just like the factory fit. Easy plug-and-play installation with no extra wires or ballasts to mess with. Better than those blue LED lights in my opinion if you actually want to see the road and still want that LED style look for your car. These are a very bright white, came with a set of gloves, extra plastic rings and instructions. Number 3. Philips H11 Standard Halogen Headlight Bulbs. Introducing the Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulbs. These bulbs are designed to fit select high beam, low beam, and fog light positions, ensuring optimal illumination for your vehicle. This pack includes 2 bulbs for your convenience. Rest assured with OEM quality and DOT compliance. Our bulbs meet stringent Department of Transportation requirements, reducing the chance of early failure due to higher quality standards. For optimal visibility and safety, always replace your headlight bulbs in pairs. This ensures a symmetric light beam from both bulbs, enhancing your driving experience. Experience enhanced comfort and safety with significantly wider light. Our bulbs provide superior illumination, allowing you to feel safe and drive safe on the road. When installing your new bulbs, always handle them with care. Never touch the glass directly, use gloves or a paper towel to ensure a safe and proper installation. Before purchasing, confirm the correct fitment for your vehicle using the provided tools. Ensure you check the position and any specific notes to guarantee an exact fit for your lighting needs. What we like. If you're seeking a safe and reliable replacement that meets strict quality standards, this option is a solid pick. It provides a significantly wider light for improved comfort and safety on the road. For drivers who prioritize original equipment quality and DOT compliance, this ensures a dependable performance. What people say. Bright, clean light and easy installation. These bulbs improve visibility right away and fit perfectly. These work great, and were quite simple to install. But man! They make a huge difference in brightness and visibility of the road. Excellent! New brighter color than that dull yellow we had before. Perfect fit and the headlights are nice and bright. Highly recommended. Number 2. Chemical Guys Headlight Restore and Protect, 16 ounces. Are your headlights hazy and dull? This powerful formula cleans away oxidation and restores crystal clear visibility to your lights. It's designed to bring back that new car look. Don't just clean them, protect them. This solution creates a barrier to shield your headlights from future fading and yellowing. Enjoy long-lasting clarity and performance. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, motorcycle, or RV, this product is safe for all your vehicles. It's formulated for gentle yet effective cleaning and protection on various headlight types. Restoring your headlights is simple. Just a few easy steps will transform your faded lights into brilliant, clear beams. Get professional results at home. Revitalize your vehicle's appearance and safety. This all-in-one solution cleans, restores, and protects your headlights, ensuring you can see and be seen clearly. What we like. This product is for anyone whose headlights have become hazy or yellowed over time. It not only cleans and restores clarity but also provides protection against future fading, extending the life of your headlights. If you want to improve your car's appearance and restore safe nighttime visibility with a simple application, this is your solution. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit and easy to install. The brightness of these headlights is impressive, providing excellent visibility at night. The design of the headlights is sleek and modern, enhancing the car's appearance. Number 1. Philips VisionPlus 9003 Headlight Bulb, 2-pack. Introducing the Philips VisionPlus headlight bulbs. They offer a high-performance lighting solution at an excellent value, making them the smart choice for safety-conscious drivers. Experience up to 60% more vision on the road. This enhanced visibility allows you to see further, providing greater safety and comfort during your drive. These bulbs meet Department of Transportation requirements, ensuring you receive OEM quality. This higher standard reduces the chance of early failure. Before purchasing, please use the fit finder to confirm the correct position and notes for your vehicle. This ensures an exact fit for your high beam, low beam, or fog light. For optimal and symmetric light beams, always replace your headlight bulbs in pairs. Remember to handle the new bulb with gloves or a paper towel, avoiding touching the glass. What we like. For drivers who demand a safer and more comfortable driving experience, this is the ultimate upgrade. It offers significantly more vision, allowing you to see further down the road. If you're looking for a high-performance bulb that provides excellent value and a substantial boost in safety, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These bulbs cast a noticeably wider, brighter light than the stock lights, and seem to increase viewing distance. I can see everything at night now. The low beams are good and the high beams are so bright, I can see a full suburb block down the street. The Philips bulb is a wider light than stock, which is what I prefer. The color looks much better than stock. They are a notch above stock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.